In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared contact list in Microsoft SharePoint, a Microsoft 365 tutorial. Start by opening SharePoint and navigating to the site where you want the contact list to live. This should be the team or project site your group already uses. Make sure you have at least member permissions so you can add apps and edit navigation. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open settings. From there, click Add an app. This opens the page where you can choose built-in SharePoint apps for your site. If you don't immediately see the Contacts app, switch to the Classic experience. The Contacts list template is part of Classic SharePoint and is designed to store names, phone numbers, emails, and more in an address book style list. Once you're in Classic, click Contacts. You'll be prompted to give your new list a name. Enter something meaningful like Team Contacts so people can find it easily later. Then click Create. SharePoint will add the app to your site and return you to your site contents area. Find your new Contacts app in the list of site contents. Click the three dots next to its name to open the menu, then click Settings. On the Settings page, copy the web address in your browser's address bar. We'll use this link to add an easy navigation shortcut so your team can open the contact list directly from your site's homepage. Head back to your site's homepage and click Edit Links on your navigation. Click Link to add a new shortcut. Type a friendly name for the link. Again, something clear like Team Contacts, then paste the web address you copied a moment ago into the URL field. Click Save to commit the navigation change. This makes the contact list one click away for everyone who visits the site. Return to the home page and click your new Team Contacts link to open the list. You'll see the default columns that come with a contacts list. To tailor it for your team, select plus add column and add the fields you need, such as department, phone number, or email. As you add columns, choose the data type that best fits what you'll store. For example, single line of text for department or a dedicated email type to ensure consistent formatting. That's it. You've created a shared contacts list, added it to your site navigation, and customized the fields so your team can start adding entries right away. If others can't see or edit the list, check with your site owner to confirm the right permissions are in place. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Microsoft 365.